Stop crying because of pimples. Stop killing yourself because of pimples. You don't visit your friends because of pimples. You don't go for clubbing because of pimples. You are yearning to get a glowing skin. Pimples is the problem. Trust me, from today, no more pimples. Okay? Remember, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can remove pimples in your face. Okay? What you have to do is to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. Get any preferable container and look for me low milk, uncooked milk, and add for me 2 spoons from your milk. From that, I want you to add for me 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Okay, turmeric powder. Guys, this recipe, when it comes to removing pimples from your face, from your skin, it works 100%. Trust me. And this recipe will help you to get a glowing skin. From that, I want you to get for me lemon. Okay, cut it into 2 pieces and then get for me a 1/4 spoon of lemon juice. A 1/4 spoon of lemon juice. Trust me guys, this recipe, if you want to get a glowing skin, if you want to remove pimples, try out this recipe because it's not very expensive, it's very cheap. Okay, and then from that, I want you to add for me a 1/4 spoon of natural honey. Okay, a 1/4 spoon of natural honey, and then put them all your ingredients together and mix very well. If you want to remove pimples, if you want to get a glowing skin, try out this recipe. Trust me, you won't remain the same. Okay, but remember guys, subscribe right now to this video if you have never subscribed to our channel. Follow us for more. Give us a like this video. Of course, share this video to your friends. And if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, guys, subscribe right now. But if you're a lady, you're a man, you are yearning to remove pimples from your face, guys, this recipe is for you. You want to get a glowing skin, this recipe is for you. You want to look nice, this recipe is for you. You like to impress your man, you like to impress your friends. Please try out turmeric for glowing skin. Try out turmeric to remove pimples. Trust me, this recipe is very easy and simple to use at home. Okay, but right now our recipe is very ready to be prepared. Who is to watch the entire video because I'm going to tell you how and when to use this recipe, guys. So watch the entire video up the end. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back guys. As you have seen the preparations, now what you're going to do, my dear bro or sister, you're going to apply that recipe to your pimples. Okay, or to the place where you have pimples. Okay, after applying it to your pimples or to the place where you have pimples, please, I want you to leave that recipe to stand on your skin for 15 minutes. For 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I want you to use cold, clean water to wash your face or to clean your face. From that, please dry your face and then you can apply your normal Vaseline you've been using or lotion you've been using. Doesn't matter. You can do it every day if you have time. But if you don't have time, you can do it at least 3 days in the week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Trust me, after 4 weeks, you won't remain the same. You'll be having a glowing skin, nice looking skin, and you'll end up visiting your friends. Friends will be asking you, how comes you have a glowing skin? Tell them, Coach Uganda, make this. Coach Uganda, make wonders. So, you need me, I need you, but don't forget to give a like to this video, to comment on this video, and of course, if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, guys, please subscribe right now, okay? Don't forget to comment on this video, to invite your friends to my YouTube channel, and of course, you need me, I need you. Why not? Let's go and we make wonders right now. Bye-bye.